You're going to have to get used to asking questions that might make you a little bit uncomfortable. Philosophy is predicated on the idea that truth is a good that we desire. Every particular question you have about justice or happiness or the good has behind it a whole series of assumptions you're making about the nature of reality. Many people think about philosophy as a process of destroying all of your basic beliefs about reality. But in truth, philosophy is about bringing us more deeply into the truth about reality. What is the good? What is the will? What is a unifying cause? What's at the beginning of everything?
You know, the first line in Aristotle's Metaphysics is, the human being is made to know, desires to know. It's hard to know, but we love to know, don't we? And these courses are about things that let us understand eternal things and judge temporal things in light of them.
What we will see is that philosophy is a human journey. Something in us wants to know the truth about reality. It is the human condition to live by ideas and not just by instincts or inclinations or passions. Our ideas about human nature, about God, about economics, and about politics all have consequences. And so the question is not, why do we study philosophy? Man is condemned to philosophize. The only question is, will he philosophize well or poorly? Let's begin.